Hello! Watching this tutorial, you will learn how to enroll a user on a particular learning object using other learning objects which this user has previously been enrolled on. Enjoy! To enroll a user on training, select the Learning Objects Management section on the left of the screen. Then choose the Learning Objects option. On the board of all the available learning objects, find the one that you're interested in and then use the Action button in the upper right corner to expand the menu. Select the option Enroll Users. On the next screen, you will see buttons that will help you add users to the training. You can add users one by one or through predefined groups, organization structure, or you can choose the groups of users with the same roles. You can also choose to enroll users who have previously been participants of another learning object. In this tutorial, we will use this option. The next screen is the first step. Choose the learning object or objects, the users of which you would like to enroll on the training. If you indicate more than one, the next screen will display a list of people added to all of them. Click Next. In the second step, you can exclude specific participants from the list if you do not want them to be enrolled on the given training. Click Next to go to the third step. Here you can define the period of time in which the users have access to the specific learning object by clicking on the dates in the calendar. You can either indicate the period of time or allow access for an indefinite period by clicking on the appropriate option. After clicking the Next button, you will go to the fourth step, the summary. Here, you can make sure that all the data you entered is correct. If so, click Save. Users have just received access to the training. They can be notified via email if you previously defined such a setting in a given learning object. That's it! Have a look at our other video tutorials, for instance about enrolling users to training using different options. This will let you take full advantage of Edolando.com possibilities.